Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report income from a pension or annuity on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your pension or annuity income statements, including of course your form 1099R. Next, just sign into your Turbotax account. Go on Turbotax website and sign in using your email address and your password. And once you're signed into your account, just select the tax year that you want to report your pension or annuity income for. Next, just choose income, and then you're going to select pension or annuity income as your income type. Next step, just enter your total pensions or annuity income, including any distribution or withdrawals. Next step is going to be to claim any related deductions. So go ahead and claim any related deductions such as pensions or annuity expenses. Next up, you're going to review your pension or annuity income report and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a pension or annuity on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.